It's RT Spacer with you. Today I'm doing a quick wheel change out and possibly a quick wheel swap involving both of these trailers here. Now for as long as I've had the red one, I have the axle, but one of the wheels broke off and I need a replacement. So I turned to the smaller flatbed and I got as far as pulling it off of this axle, but what I'm going to do now is see if it works on the axle for this red trailer. I did check to make sure the wheels match first, and they do for the most part, so this should work. So doing a quick test, it does roll, but it's kind of wobbly. It's a problem I often have with Greenlight trucks and trailers, but I can live with it. In the meantime, this is the trailer I'd do a wheel swap with, but I figured while the wheels are off I could black this out. I've wanted to do that ever since getting it. I'm going to do this using the same paint marker I blacked out the dump trailer with last year, so let's see how it goes. Alright, so I've left this out to dry for a while. Now it's time to finish the job. In my case today, I think I'll alternate between the paint marker and a permanent marker. So for me today, this'll do, and I may come back to this later to touch it up some more, hit any other spots I missed, but now's a good time to choose the wheels I want to finish this wheel swap with. I'll keep this around as I might need it later. Now most of these are either too big or too small. I think this'll do. Let's see. So putting these side by side, I think we have a match. So let's go ahead and get them put on. Now this is where the original axle should come in handy. Axle ends here. I want this new one to be a bit longer for obvious reasons. Hopefully I won't have to do this all over again. Now I just need to put the trailer jack back on. Alright, so that's everything. A wheel change out and a wheel swap. I blacked out the smaller flatbed. Now I would like the original axle in place, but I need a matching wheel on the other side, and I don't have one that's perfectly intact right now. As I said before, this one's broken. So hopefully you find this helpful. For now, I've got to run. Now, if you enjoy content like this and want to see more, I invite you to subscribe. I'm also on Instagram at RTSpacerHD, and I'm always open to cool suggestions you might have. Happy Halloween to everybody. Stay safe out there. It's RT Spacer with you. It's time for me to get rolling. It's also time for me to plug my light back in. I'm not doing that over